His Majesty's government hereby affirms its commitment to providing sustained support to the correctional services to enable the continued delivery of efficient, sustainable, and human correctional services in strict accordance with the laws of the Kingdom and its international obligations. With these few remarks, Your Majesty, it becomes my singular honor and distinguished privilege to respectfully and humble invite His Majesty the King to address the correctional services and indeed the nation. Bayet, wena waphakathi, Nkosi, Ndlovukazi, Mhlekazi.
Seyikhulumile Ndunankulu ke nebenkosi lenhle la empeleni tindvo latitsinzile Ndunankulu ngilebe sivele sikhuluma ngato lapha ikakhulu esigabeni sokuthi leli correctional services umsebenzi wayo ikakhulu sengiko lokuthi intshintshe lesimo salabantu kulebe bangisho ngaphambilini waphindze futhi Ndunankulu wayiteka nendzaba yokuthi bazama konke okusemandleni balitiko ikakhulu ukuthi abantu babiyele kahle emimangweni lapho basuka khona integration back to society uphindze wateka kona lokuthi nebenkosi lenhle Maswati kubalulekile lokuthi ati lokuthi nabe kushothi umuntu ubuyala ngekhathi so ulungisekile wena kunene angeke phindze ayiphindze lento atokwathi usaphindza achubeke kahle kakhulu ushito wenebenkosi lenhle Ndunankulu washo ukuthi kunema programs noma kunetinhlangoso ezihlukahlukene tekubasita ukuthi babe ngabaqeqeshekile ngenhlangoso ezihlukahlukene washo ukuthi libandla lalapha liyafundiswa ikakhulu nebenkosi lenhle ngokuthi embamba bantu bagcinwa siphi nabalapha ngekhathi kuze ukuthi bakwazi phindze baphile kahle khona lapha ku society nyalo ke bangwane simele kufika ukukhuluma kwaso silo semhlaba ingwenyama lapha kulomsebenzi kunenge bangwane lesibheke ukuthi ikhuluma ingwenyama lesatiko ukuthi bangwane nayicetha ingwenyama kutabe kwakheke sive nebenkosi lenhle kutabe kunenguquko letinyendi letabe tentekile ake sibone sona silo
sake Mswati lomnyama wakwethu seswatini waba njengekuvuma kwencwala nembalangwane ingani ngiyalitonza nelitekulo liteko emadvodza la kubhinile lapha endlini yabaye isikhulu kalobamba ingana behlongota kutsinza inhlamvu yeliso lasimakadzelo kuyingwenyama yeMaswati mana njalo pulpit yekuthula eAfrika yonkana unuwaphakathi wayethe unalo njengelilanga
Ndlovukazi emakhosikati bantu babenkosi Ndunankulu emabandla kweluleka tikhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela la Ndunankulu tindvuna tembuso labamele emave kuleli bacondzisi netindlu totimbili teparlamente lobuke esikotsi salapha ngamanzini lobuke yona i-correctional services nani nonke mabutho e-correctional services nabo-commissioner general lababuya ngaphandle kuleli timenywa letibalulekile nani nonke maphoyisa correctional services nivusele kakhulu maphoyisa
Your Majesty the Indlovukazi emakhosikati, Your Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers and members of both houses of parliament, regional administrator for the Manzini region, Commissioner General of His Majesty's Correctional Services, Commissioner Generals from the neighboring countries, former Commissioner Generals of Correctional Services, the executive, and all ranks of correctional services, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we greet you all this afternoon.
Maphoyisa namuhla kumnanzi kuba se correctional namhla kune balance agenda solo ngabekwa kuba inkosi uzange kubonale bomake ukuthi nanabo sebathola lithuba lekuhumusha.
It is an honor today to be here at the Correctional Services at Matapa. This is a very special day unto me because ever since my coronation, it's a first of its kind to have a woman interpreter. That speaks to us as a nation that we are indeed progressing.
Awasisho ukuthi noma bomake baqala cha kuyevakala ukuthi awubayibambile.
May we also affirm that even though it's a first of its kind, but we are so much encouraged to see that indeed women are on the right track.
Bekunene sithanda ukuthatha lithuba lonke kunemukela nonke kuleli langa lanamuhla lilanga le correctional services ukuthi kuyinjabulo ukuthi sibuthene lapha sito singatha wona emaphoyisa elangeni lelihle lanamuhla bekunene.
We welcome everyone who is here in our midst today as we are here to support the correctional officers on their special day.
Bekunene sithanda lithuba kunemukela labakhona lapha nalababuya ngaphandle kwaleli la Ngwane labasisingathile kufaka ekhathi bonke bo Commissioner General lababuya ku region nalababuya ngasheya kwetilwandle bonke sithi abadvele bemukelekile ebekunene.
We welcome everyone who is here today in Nebegunene, and we also welcome those who come from beyond our borders, of the borders of the nation, and those who come from overseas who have dedicated their time to come here and celebrate with us.
Kulelanga site kutonvusela la correctional services siyati ukuthi aningapheleli njoba kwavele imikhuhlane kibo bafana benkosi lenikete bona ukuthi nisebende nabo bolamakhosini siyakholwa ukuthi nalakho nakhona naye uyelulama ngespeed lesikhulu emaphoyisa.
As we are gathered here today, correctional officers, we are aware that you are not all here because a sickness from our leader, Lama Koseni, has been reported. And we so much believe that she is recovering wherever she is.
Maphoyisa kumnanzi kusi sibuthene lapha kilo lelanga lenu lakhona emaphoyisa kucondzisa timilo nikhombisa ngesigaba senu lesiphelele ukuthi kuba ngemaphoyisa ekucondzisa timilo netigwegwe ni sebenta kanjani emaphoyisa.
As we are gathered here, officers, on your very special day, we know the duty that is assigned to you is to rehabilitate. We so much believe, officers, that as you execute your duties, you are so able to continue as you are assigned to do so.
Maphoyisa sithokozile kukhanza nekubona emandla lenawo njoba kulelanga lanamuhla nje senisikhombise ngemfolo le beni display lapha lebonalisa konekwe ukuthi lemfolo iyakhomba ukuthi isezingeni lelisedulu kakhulu maphoyisa.
As we come here today, we were so much pleased to witness exceptional drills from police officers, from correctional officers, and that shows your dedication and energy because your drills were so much exceptional.
Maphoyisa kunibona ni khombisa umdlandla ikakhulu nangabe ne weather ibonakala ukuthi awu inje ngaloko injena kepha ke imnanzi ngoba nembala nawutawo khombisa display fole iba mnanzi iweather lenjena ngoba akushisi kakhulu kumnanzi uyawafaka ke kakhulu emandla ukuthi utoze umtimba uhlala ufuthumele maphoyisa.
As you show so much energy and dedication towards today's drill, we are so much excited that the weather permits because it is a bit cold. As you drill, you are able to regain heat in your body so that you remain warm.
Maphoyisa lo kuthokota kokukhanza I-discipline ne-fitness la kini isedulu mbele morali khombisa ukuthi nawo ukhombisa ukuthi uliphoyisa leli lungisa tigwegwe netimilo kubonakale structure sakho qala nekwekuthi nembala uyakhona ngoba kumcoka ukuthi nihlale ni fit nihlale nibonalisa ukuthi noma ngabe kuthi ngeka kugijima kubonalisa ukuthi emandla akhona amaphoyisa.
We are so much honored here, correctional services, to find high discipline, fitness, and morale. This shows that indeed your bodies are healthy so that you can partake in any of the duties that you must be assigned to do.
Maphoyisa lokuhle ke lokho nembala nekukhombisa nje ukuthi umsebenzi webuphoyisa uyini ngoba leli langa leli lanamuhla lapho khona live lonke leSwatini lifike linibone nilikhombe ukuthi nani khuluma ukuthi ningamaphoyisa nisebenza kanjani kulomsebenzi la nikhona khona amaphoyisa.
We take pride in that correctional offices because as you do your duties, everyone sees on how you should conduct yourself and your morale, and everyone gains confidence in the duties that you do.
Maphoyisa lo kudumiseka ko kubona ukuthi solona ngena nabuthwa kuba ngemaphoyisa niyawati sigaba nanithatha sifungo ukuthi na uqhubeka nihlale ni fit ni maintain imtimba nihlale ni maintain ingqondo ukuthi ibe kahle konke kube sesigabeni lesisedulu ngoba umsebenzi wenu lenwendako ufuna abantu labaphilile engatini emoyeni emphefumulweni maphoyisa.
Ever since you embarked on your journey, you took a pledge that you'll remain healthy in your bodies and also and also spiritually, because indeed the duties that you are assigned to do requires you to be healthy holistically, both physically, spiritually, and emotionally.
Ngibonile ke emaphoyisa nemfundisi kwabonalisa ukuthi nanihlale nabafundisi labathandaza kanjena usho kona ukuthi ndawuhlale niphilile emoyeni nengatini nemphefumulweni emaphoyisa.
This was so evident to me because we witnessed an opening prayer from a pastor, and that showed me that indeed the correctional officers will remain healthy because there are people, spiritual people, who are backing them up in prayer.
Kumqoka amaphoyisa kini nineleni buke lelibutho lelihlala lapha leta nalo laselidanga lapha ngoba kukhona lokwagcina kungahambi kahle ukuthi nabanikhanza imoya yenu ikahle kuyawubasida ngoba njoba nabalapha nje batocondziswa digwegwe abaketi kutolinyatwa noma kutokwendiwa simo lesingasiso kumqoka ke ukuthi ke labo labafanele bakwende lokho ukhanze ukuthi lo moya wabo usesimeni lesikahle maphoyisa.
It is very important, correctional officers, that you remain spiritually healthy because the duty that you are assigned to you brings offenders into your care. And those offenders need spiritually healthy people to take care of them. And that speaks to the point that if you are healthy spiritually, and the offenders who came here to be corrected and rehabilitated will be healthy as well.
Ngako ke siyathumisa kakhulu ukuthi lo mnyango wekulungisa lababonalisa ukuthi balungiswa timelo umsebenzi wawo uyabonakala live lonke liyabona nisebenza kahle kakhulu maphoyisa nemibiko letholakala iyevakala ukuthi bonke laba lenihlala nabo nibalungisa nabo bayadumisa kakhulu esigabeni sekutheni nanihleti nabo nabukhombisa ubuntu nikhombise ukuthi umuntu lende labe nekuba nemagwegwe empilweni nine nifike nimqondzise kahle emaphoyisa.
We appreciate the hard work that you put in every single day, because as we go around, we hear testimonies that you dedicate yourself so much that people who are entrusted into your care, you are able to correct them and rehabilitate them with love.
Eminyakeni lophelile ngahamba nangisuka lapha kini sicethe umsebenzi ngangikhonjwa idisplay yemisebenzi leminye lebeniyenda njoba lemisebenzi leminye leniyendako uyothi bonke lababonalisa ukuthi nihlala nabo lapha bese bafundziswa emakhono ekwekuthi bangasebenza kanjani bangaziphilisa kanjani kwendele ukuthi ke noma sekubonalisa ukuthi awusigaba sesiphelile kwekuthi nihleti nabo ngalapha sebabuyela emimangweni babuyele emimangweni banemakhono laphelele emaphoyisa.
Last year, we witnessed displays that offenders who are admitted here are always taught on some specific competencies that are going to help them as they go back to their communities. It is indeed encouraging correctional services that when offenders are discharged here, they go back home to help their societies with the different competencies and skills that they gained as they were here.
Lokwangijabulisa kakhulu ngahamba lapha eceleni kwabo ngema nabo bafike bangibikela ukuthi bayati ukuthi bafika bonile kepha bayabonga umusa nenjabulo nelithando labaphatheke ngalo lapha njoba nihlala nabo badumisa nini emaphoyisa kwangithinza kakhulu kuva lokho ngibona lenhleti nabo bangakhali ukuthi lapha sesafa kepha ke nabakhuluma tindzaba letinhle letimnanzi lokho kuyaliphakamisa nelive kakhulu emhlabeni emaphoyisa.
Last year, as I witnessed the displays, I drew closer to offenders. We had time to talk to them and be so close to them. They reported that here they are gaining joy and love, and they are corrected with so much love. So it is very much encouraging for me, correctional officers, that indeed you are showing love to people who have come here, are offenders, and are entrusted into your care.
Maphoyisa nale kubonakele ukuthi bavele batiphethe kahle nabo sithite nasisuka lapha saya emikhosini lemhlukahlukene kube nemkhosi wembali kwaba nengqwala kwaba nemikhosi welithango kiyo yonke leyo mkhosi kwanabo laba lenihlala nabo lenibalungisa timilo baya lena kepha ke lokuhle baya kwababete kunyunzeleleka ukuthi lo nisebenza nabo kwabonakala ukuthi nani niniketa lithemba ukuthi aninasinyodzela lengikudumisa ukuthi ke kiyo yonke lemikhosi waba kuhle kwasebenza kahle nabo lenihlala nabo bawafaka emandla umsebenzi bawuphakamisa esigabeni nani kubonakala ukuthi cha imfundiso yenu ngiyo sibili emaphoyisa.
Last year, our offenders partook in all the country's festivals. They partook during the Inkwala ceremony. They also partook during Umhlanga ceremony, and they were also part of the Buganu celebration. They celebrated together with us. It was so much heartwarming for me to see that offenders were not segregated by correctional offices. In other times, you may find that correctional offices then decide to segregate correctional offenders. But in your case, there was nothing as that was reported.
Yonke lemisebenzi lemihle leniendako maphoyisa namuhla seyibonwa nangumhlaba wonkana ngoba umhlaba so yabona kulamalanga ukuthi nangabe nawo sodzinga lusito ukuthi labahleti nabo labangadinga kuqondziswa tigwegwe netimilo ubuke emhlabeni jikelele ukuthi ungabe ngikuphi lapho singabamikisa khona lokuthokothisa ukuthi nakuqhamuke emave lekhashane ete kuba kangwane afike athi bakangwane sicela kusebenzisana nani ngoba nembala nathi siyabona umsebenzileni wendako ukuthi muhle siyabona impatho yenu yalenhleti nabo kuqondzisa timilo ukuthi ingiyo emimangweni nabo bathi sicela kuba ingcenye yaloko ukuthi konke lokho kuphakamisa lona live kuphakamisa umsebenzileni wendako maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, your duty is even recognized internationally. The way you rehabilitate and correct offenders, people from beyond the borders of Eswatini are recognizing. And it has come to a point whereby people have asked to partner with us to bring some of their offenders to our country because we have really elevated the standard of rehabilitation of offenders.
Maphoyisa kuleso sigaba ongumsebenzi lenwendako lomuhle we correctional services uyajabulisa konke leleni kwendako kuyakhomba ukuthi ema skills lesenawo avele aphakeme kakhulu lokujabulisa ukuthi kwananani natinike emathuba ekufundza ekwatisa lwati nemqondo kwendele ukuthi yonke imisebenzi lenendako ikhanye ikhanze ukuthi kwananani lizinga lenu livele lisetulu kakhulu emaphoyisa.
Correctional officers, this is so much encouraging. And it is also encouraging that you continue with your education. As you continue with your education, you gain knowledge and skills. And that brings light to your lives.
Maphoyisa uhleke ngoba nembala imisebenzi lenindako minyenti njengoba lapha nenda kulima niyakha nibomakhenika niyathunga lokunyendi niyakwenda lapha correctional services lese kubonalisa ukuthi vele kwananani kuyaniqeqesha ukuthi na umuntu empilweni ufanele ube nema skills lafanele latawukhona ukuthi akuside nasempilweni emaphoyisa.
Correctional services, it is worth noting that here you are also doing some skills that includes construction, farming, just to name a few. And that is encouraging correctional officers because as you partake on those skills, it makes you to be marketable and to continue with your lives through those skills that you have gained.
Maphoyisa nani lama skills lenwa developer ko lapha correctional services ansita empilweni ngoba impilo iyaqhubeka ibuka ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga nawamba nibonalisa ukuthi nemimangweni lela nisuka khona ema skills nako konke lesenikufundzile la nawukhona kokuthatha nikumikise emimangweni emakhaya nemakhaya baphile kwakheke imisebenzi live litothuthuka ngoba live nalinemisebenzi leminyenti bantu bavuka bayosebenza kuyawube kulisida nanalo ukuthi inhlala kahle ibe kahle kakhulu emaphoyisa.
Correctional offices, life continues. For the skills that you've gained here, you will be able to sustain your own living and you'll also be able to create jobs. Moreover, the communities that you come from will also benefit and that in turn will benefit the country.
Maphoyisa siyathumisa nekuthi nani sebenda nalamanye mabutho eveni niyabambisana ngemoya lomuhle nisebende kahle kakhulu imikhosi nibonakale emandla kuye kubonakale sibili noma kungumuphi umkhosi niye nibonakale nigqamile impela siyesibone nemakhwaya kulamalanga laphuma lapha bonale avele ahlabela netemculo dibonakale diphakeme impela kuthi ke tonke leto dinto leto ngiletinhle ngoba kuyaba into lenhle ukuthi empilweni na usebenta uphinde kube khona newe ukuthi umqondo uphumute ngendlela lekahle kakhulu utoze ukwati ukuthi impilo ichubeka kahle emaphoyisa.
correctional officers, we commend your partnership with other government organizations. We have seen you in different festivals of the country. You were participating. Some were participating through music and otherwise. We therefore commend that correctional officers, because as you do that, you are able even to sharpen your skills, and that in turn may help you earn a living.
Maphoyisa lonyaka njoba live beligubha lusuku lekubekwa nesuku lekutalwa 40 na 58 years maphoyisa njoba nilapha correctional services nihleti nabo lababonalisa ukuthi nibalungisa timilo live nali celebrate kufuneka wonke abe ingcenye yaleyo celebration maphoyisa.
Correctional officers, this year, the country had a double celebration. We were celebrating 40 years of His Majesty's coronation, and we are also celebrating 58 years of His Majesty's birthday. It is therefore advised correctional officers that you always participate and be part and parcel of what is being done. And I also want to commend you that you always participate.
Maphoyisa kuleso sigaba libandla le prerogative of mercy libambisene nawo maphoyisa njoba emaphoyisa ngona la sebenza wonke lo msebenzi ngiyalithuma ukuthi lihlale phansi libukele wonke lamajaha nabosisi labalapha labahleli lapha ukuthi nabo balungiselelwe batokwati ukuthi nabo bayolungiswa bajabule babuyele emakhaya bancishiselwe neminyaka kubonakala ukuthi sonke solo siya celebrate kulomnyaka maphoyisa.
As we have the double celebration as a nation, I therefore charge the prerogative of Mercy Committee together with correctional officers to make consultations on those who will be pardoned, because we are still continuing with our celebrations as a nation.
Maphoyisa na sita namuhla sitonivusela sita nekunika tatho logcina kwananani maphoyisa kunisekela njoba sathi ukuthi impilo yonke idzinga kusekeleka siyathi ke uhlale kuba netinsayela konke kunelihlelo ngoba konke akuzange kuqala kusukume kanye sokuthi nje konke sekuyaphelela kepha ke ngesikhathi into yonke ibe solo ikhuliswa usho ukuthi ke live la uqhubeka libe semva kwenu etinhlelweni donke lenato lenti planako nalenti lungisako letibuka impilo le khona lapha njoba nilapha lamsebenzini wekusebenta umsebenzi wekucondzisa timilo netigwegwe ukuthi uze umsebenzi uhambe kahle kudzingeka naku lokuhle ukuthi kunelihlelo lenalakha lolulandzelelako lokuthi njalo ngeminyaka leli yawuqhutsheka ukuthi lisekelwe doze likwati kwenta umsebenzi lenwendako ukuthi ube sesigabeni namhla ke kunike tatho logcina ukuthi live liyaqhubeka limenani kitotonke tinhlelo kwente impilo yalapha ibe setulu kakhulu maphoyisa.
I am here to pledge my support correctional officers that the government of Eswatini will support all your endeavors and all your programs, because we know that as we implement our programs, we sometimes encounter challenges, but it is pivotal for us to support you so that whatever that you have planned and programmed be a success.
Maphoyisa sithokozile kuba nani elilangeni lanamuhla umsebenzi ube muhle kakhulu sithokozile sibongane tethulo tonke lentethulile kufaka ekhatsi netethulo letibhekiswe nakubo gogo nabomkhulu lesi sonke lokusila singabo futhi siyabadzinga etimpilweni tethu ukuthi babe khona impilo yabo ibe yinhle iqhubeke iqiqime siqhubeke sibanakelele ngeluthando njoba namhlanje sebenzisa iAgape Love nembala sitaqhubeka ngayo iAgape Love eSwatini live lonke ongemaswati ebekunene.
We are so much grateful, and we take this time to appreciate everyone who has brought their gifts and their presence, especially the gift that is intended for the elderly. We thank you so much, and we are really grateful for that.
Maphoyisa kube injabulele enkulu kwekusinali lilanga lenu leli sinifisela umsebenzi wonke nalo sesele uqhubeke ube muhle nebatali netihlobo bonke balapha batojabulela lelanga lanamuhla asilende libe lilanga leli special langa leAgape Love.
We wish you a successful day, correctional officers, as we are to continue with our program. It is indeed a beautiful day because we have named this day a day of Agape Love. May it all be well with us as we continue with our day.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu uyasibusisa sonke bekunene.
Seba phakathi ke makhakhamela ibakakile imithimba nezindaba. Unyathele ngenhlonipho lapha correctional services kumathapha. Uvume phasi ngemadolo nanduna mthethosisekelo makaya uqulekela ihamela yokugcina ingitsi. Uthi thilile tingitsi kulaba boshiwe ematilongweni. Kuyabonakala ukuthi inhlitiyo yasimakathe isethu lesandeni sengwenyama. Mana njalo mbube emhlaba. Engane kuduma kwakho msathi kunyakathise umhlaba ongana. Kwethuka bhotha esikhwahlande kulakamlumbi kuthe manje lekagasa aphumamoyitela lo mashikizela kangwani inganashiye umuntu ekuhlakula unyathele ngenduthuko magumba mane eveni leSwatini nemambala ingani bona khona bese udele mambuka udzele nabekhaya ingani bebasolo bafunga bathi buka nebugabasi bakolopta inkundla ingani bebathi bataka ukusika emahawu mana njalo mbube yemhlaba mana njalo ingani itholo lokho intuthuko iyacicima ndlalisela nayi nephalazi ingani beyingafakaza mana njalo mbube yemhlaba mana njalo ebusa wenabe uncaba ujulile wabuyemba umnyama yesabeka ayethe unolunje ngelilanga unowaphakathi ayethe